Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Huawei model and EMUI version so you pick the right installer. Once done, back up your important files and enable unknown sources to allow sideloading. Make sure the battery is over 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. You will download 2 packages, a lightweight installer and Google Services Framework. I'll guide you through installing them in the right order so permissions and accounts initialize correctly. You now sideload the GMS installer APK, tapping Install and granting every requested permission. This places core components. Next, install Google Play Services and Google Play Store, again allowing permissions and background installs. Once installed, open Play Store to trigger app updates. Sign into your Google account and sync only contacts and calendar initially so sync errors are rare. If an automatic restart is prompted, allow it. To finish, update Google Play Services and the Play Store from within the store, then reboot the phone so all components settle. If an app crashes or won't sign in, revoke related permissions and re-grant them. Sometimes a single permission blocks account access. If issues persist, clear app cache or reinstall the specific APK, for example, Play Services. One key tip: if sign-in repeatedly fails, remove the account, clear Google App Data, and add the account again after a reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.